confirmed from the flight deck, we have been cleared to land and we'll be touching down in about 3 minutes. And flight crew, please receive the plane. Gentlemen, JetBlue Airways welcomes you to New York's John F. Kennedy Airport, where the local time is 2:31 p.m. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Use caution when opening overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. If this is your final destination on JetBlue, checked luggage can be found on a JetBlue carousel. If you have a bag tag receipt that says claim at gate, you may claim those items outside the aircraft door. For those customers needing assistance deplaning, please remain comfortably seated once we arrive at the gate so that we may better assist you. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue Airways, especially this JFK-based crew, we want to thank you for flying with us today. It was a pleasure to have served you. We look forward to welcoming you back on a JetBlue Airways flight in your future travels. Ladies and gentlemen, we do once again apologize for the delay. We do know that everyone has somewhere to be, but we do ask that if you do not have a connecting flight, that you please remain seated and allow those that do have a connecting flight to make their way to the forward part of the aircraft. Again, for those of you who have a connecting flight, Please make your way to the forward part of the aircraft. Once the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign comes off, and everyone else, please allow them to get through so that they can make their connecting flight. We appreciate everyone's patience and cooperation. Thank you.